Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the device ready. Make sure auto-rotate is on and hold the phone vertically. Open your recorder app or the built-in screen recorder and select portrait or vertical capture. This ensures the aspect ratio matches how viewers will watch. Once done, clear background apps and flip on Do Not Disturb so notifications don't interrupt. You do these steps first because framing and interruptions determine the final quality. By preparing now, you avoid redoing footage later. Now focus on capture settings and composition. Set resolution to 1080 by 1920 and pick 30 or 60 frames per second depending on motion. Higher FPS smooths movement but uses more space. Select audio. Internal for app sounds, microphone for narration, or both if supported. Record a quick test clip and listen back to verify levels. For framing, enable a vertical grid or face guide so your subject stays centered. Begin recording with a short countdown to collect yourself, then perform the actions at a steady pace and speak clearly if you're narrating. When finished, stop and immediately preview the clip to ensure the frame, audio, and timing are correct. Trim the start and end if necessary and export using the vertical aspect to preserve portrait orientation. If something goes wrong, check available storage, restart the recorder or device, and run a quick 5-second test. This usually reveals common issues like muted audio or dropped frames.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.